Hi friends! Today we're going to learn a super easy way to do subtraction by counting back on our fingers. We will use our fingers to help us take away numbers and see where we land. Ready to try it together? Let's go! Let's try 9 minus 4. Which number is bigger? 9. So we're going to start counting back from 9. Which number is smaller? 4. That means we need to count back 4 steps. Hold up 4 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 9. 1 step for each finger. 8, 7, 6, 5. We counted back 4 steps. Where did we land? 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Let's try 12 minus 5. Which number is bigger? 12. So we're going to start counting back from 12. Now, which number is smaller? 5. That means we need to count back 5 steps. Hold up 5 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 12. 1 step for each finger. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We counted back 5 steps. Where did we land? 7. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's try 19 minus 3. Which number is bigger? 19. So we're going to start counting back from 19. Now, which number is smaller? 3. That means we need to count back 3 steps. Hold up 3 fingers, ready? Let's count back from 19, 1 step for each finger. 18, 17, 16. We counted back 3 steps. Where did we land? 16. So 19 minus 3 equals 16. Let's try 15 minus 6. Which number is bigger? 15. So we're going to start counting back from 15. Now, which number is smaller? 6. That means we need to count back 6 steps. Hold up 6 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 15, 1 step for each finger. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. We counted back 6 steps. Where did we land? 9. So 15 minus 6 equals 9. Let's try 17 minus 4. Which number is bigger? 17. So we're going to start counting back from 17. Now, which number is smaller? 4. That means we need to count back 4 steps. Hold up 4 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 17, 1 step for each finger. 16, 15, 14, 13. We counted back 4 steps. Where did we land? 13. So 17 minus 4 equals 13. Let's try 13 minus 7. Which number is bigger? 13. So we're going to start counting back from 13. Now, which number is smaller? 7. That means we need to count back 7 steps. Hold up 7 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 13, 1 step for each finger. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We counted back 7 steps. Where did we land? 6. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. Let's try 11 minus 8. Which number is bigger? 11. So we're going to start counting back from 11. Now, which number is smaller? 8. That means we need to count back 8 steps. Hold up 8 fingers. Ready? Let's count back from 11. 1 step for each finger. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We counted back 8 steps. Where did we land? 3. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.